morning, Adrian here from 40plushometraining.com, and I just want to show you a proper press up. Is get the leg straight, get the back straight, very slowly, leave yourself down and push up. So down and up, down and up. For those of you that can't do that, take this position, bring your knees down and lower your chest down and up, down and up. And the last one, down and up. And very slowly back to you. For those of you that can't go on the ground and you feel it's too hard, what I want you to do, put your hands on the wall, get your feet straight, and leave yourself in, turn your head to the side and push out. Up the hands if you wish, touch your face, touch your chest. It's 1. Everything is slow and controlled. 3, 4. Now also, if you want to work on your triceps, put your hands closer, almost together, and in and out. This will work on your triceps. In and out. In and out. See you soon. Stay tuned for more.